Hi, Christian Carpeso here, and today I want to share with you how you can overcome the single biggest hurdle in your prospects' minds. May tatlong reason kung bakit hindi sumasali ang isang prospect sa isang network marketing opportunity. Ang una, ah, hindi ka nila kilala. Pangalawa, hindi nila kailangan yung binibenta mo or yung ino-offer mo. At pangatlo, hindi sila naniniwala sa'yo. Siguro na mapansin mo na most of our prospects, pag halimbawa ino-offeran mo directly ng opportunity, may duda ka agad sila na hindi sila naniniwala sa'yo. Kaso, for most network marketers, pag halimbawa ganito yung response ng mga prospects nila, ang ginagawa nila, nagre-result sila to selling harder, inflating their claims more, make bigger promises, at ang pinakamasama, yung hyping na sinasabi nila yung isang bagay na hindi naman talaga kayang gawin ng kanyang opportunity. Pag halimbawa ganito ang ginagawa mo, para mo na lang binigyan ng reason yung prospects mo na automatically i-reject ka nila. Kasi sa yung prospects natin, hindi naman ikaw lang yung nag-offer sa kanila ng opportunity mo. Most of the time, lalo na sa online world ngayon, hindi lang sila isang beses nakaranas na may nag-private message sila sa kanila na nag-o-offer sa kanila ng opportunity. At yung mga nag-o-offer na yun, most of the time, wala naman nag-o-offer na sinasabi nila na hindi maganda yung opportunity nila. Na ang opportunity nila ay yung the best. So, pag ganito ang ginagawa, automatically, sa isip ng prospect natin, hindi ko na lang papansin ito. Niloloko lang ko. Kumaga niloloko lang nila ako. Kasi nga, you are making, sometimes, although, most company, totoo naman talaga yung binibigay na features and benefits ng mga network marketers. Kaso, yun, sa isip ng prospect natin, kumbaga parang over-promising. So, anong dapat natin gawin? The first one is be different. Sa marketing world, ito yung tinatawag na differentiation. Tulad nga ng sabi ko, karamihan ng mga network marketers, ganito yung ginagawa. They are focusing on the features and benefits of their products. Yung nasabi nila na yung kanilang company is the best. But hindi lang naman ikaw yung nagsasabi ng gano'n. Kung isipin mo, wala namang network marketing company na magsasabi na inferior ang company nila. So, what you have to do is, by being different, tone down your claims. Which lead me to the second point, which is being honest and realistic. Sabihin mo sa kanila, sa mga prospect mo na there is a high failure rate sa ganitong business. At ang dahilan nun ay lack of skill, insufficient funds, poor marketing, and lack of commitment and consistency. Make realistic expectation. Kasi pag ganito ang ginawa mo, you are pinapakita mo sa mga prospects mo na concern ka sa kanila na you want them to be successful in this industry. Remember na ang mga prospects natin, ayaw na ayaw nila nang binibentahan natin sila. So, you have to do is be concerned with them, be, sincerely help their problem first sa mga gusto nilang maatin sa kanilang buhay. Like more time with their family, or time freedom, financial freedom, more money. Yun. So, I hope you got benefit out of this video. Feel free to like and share. And I would like to hear your comments on the comment box below. So, thank you again for watching. Again, this is Christian Carpeso of ChristianCarpeso.com. See you again on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye and God bless.